In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect and lock a folder in Windows 11. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll have a secure folder on your computer that only you can open with a password. This method is great for keeping personal files, work documents, or anything sensitive away from prying eyes on a shared computer. First, start by creating a new folder anywhere you like, such as on your desktop or inside your documents. Give it a simple name you'll remember, like private or locked files. This is the folder where you'll store everything you want to protect. Next, open that new folder. Then right-click inside the empty space and create a new text document. Open the text file and you're going to paste in a small script. This script will create a hidden, password-protected area inside your folder. Make sure you paste the entire script exactly as provided from a trusted source, without changing anything yet. Inside that script, look for the section that clearly says something like, "Your password here." Carefully replace that placeholder text with the password you want to use. Choose a password that's strong but still easy for you to remember. Avoid using personal details like your name or birthday. Double-check that you typed it correctly, because this will be the only way to unlock your folder later. Once your password is in place, go to the File menu of the text editor and choose Save As. In the Save As window, change the file type from a text document to All Files. Then give it a name ending in a bat. For example, Locker Bat. Save it in the same folder. Now, close the text editor. Back in your folder, you'll see a new file with the name you chose and a gear-like icon. Double-click that file. A command window will appear, and it should create a new folder called something like Private or Locker inside the same location. Move any files you want to protect into that new secure folder. When you're ready to lock it, double-click the batch file again. The command window will ask if you want to lock the folder. Type Y and press Enter. The secure folder will disappear from view, making it hidden and protected. To unlock it later, just double-click the batch file again. A prompt will appear asking for your password. Type the exact password you said earlier and press Enter. The secure folder will reappear, and you can access your files. Remember, do not lose your password, and keep that batch file in the same location so you can always unlock your protected folder when needed.